Hello and welcome to this video on function calling. In this video, we will compare human and AI agent workflows using function calling. You will learn what function calling is and how it works with AI agents. We will also go through a real-time demo of an AI agent using friendly tools from Friendly AI, which enables accurate function calling in most open source language models. So how are tasks handled differently by humans and AI agents? Well, imagine you want a quick overview of your calendar to identify the types of events scheduled. Based on these scheduled events, you also want to search for related events online and add them directly to your Google Calendar. If you think about how a person might do this in Task, they might do it in steps. Go through and review each event individually, manually open up a Chrome browser and search for some information, and then add to your calendar one by one. For an AI agent, all of these are possible with function calling automatically in one step, enabling you to experience a smooth and efficient AI experience. When large language models are connected with predefined tools, they can act as the brain of an agentic system. These empowered LLMs can decide when and which tool to use based on the context of the conversation between the user and the agent. This capability allows an LLM to essentially execute a function or tool from a set of available functions with the appropriate parameters. To help you get a grasp of understanding what incredible things you can do with function calling, I'll go through a real-time demo of an AI agent. This agent is not only capable of browsing information on the internet, but can also directly integrate into your personal Google Calendar. To get started, you can follow the code and setup instructions provided in the GitHub repository for the Friendly Client library. The Friendly Client library is designed for you to easily integrate function calling into your application. Now I have created an agent and connected it to my Google Calendar account. Let's see how function calling is being used in the code. The toolsets that we are using are defined in this code. You can think that these tools are the main features of this agent. This agent has 6 tools defined, and I'll briefly go through what each tool can do. The web search tool allows us to browse the internet. The add event for date tool will actually add events to the Google Calendar. The rest of the 4 tools, starting with get events, are tools to check if there are scheduled events in the Google Calendar with specific period or keyword conditions. As the agent runs, a continuous loop is being processed while the response is getting generated. The agent will go through all available tools and choose the most appropriate one based on the user's conversation. If the model decides to use a tool, it adds the tool into the assistance message and executes it in a loop. If no tool is selected, the agent will decide to independently generate a response by itself. So the first thing that I will try with my agent is to ask for some scheduled events that I have this month. Let's ask, what's on my schedule this month? So if I ask my agent to do this, it should briefly go through all the events in my calendar and give me a result, a short summary of what I have. It uses the get events for period tool and gave me a response that I have a yoga class, client meeting, dental appointment, and it's my birthday. Okay, so I'll quickly add a reminder for a dental appointment so that I won't forget it. Could you add a reminder for the dental appointment? Add event for date tool has been called, and when this tool is called, it asks if I would like to add it or not. And I will definitely add yes to confirm. Okay, I've added a reminder for your dental appointment on August 18th. Let's quickly check. For the rest of the video, I'll split the screen in half and show the calendar and the agent at the same time. Okay, so let's go to August 18th. If the dental appointment reminder is added correctly, and the events with this AI prefix is the ones that the agent has added, just to let you know. This time I'll ask my agent more specifically of what kind of events I have. Do I have any meetings planned? And it uses the Get Events by Query tool this time with the keyword client meetings to see if I have any meetings. And yes, I have a meeting with the client. It's on August 16th. And one thing to notice is that I have not assisted the agent to use these tools. It has decided to use the most appropriate one by itself. Up until now, I've shown you how it works by pulling information that was already on the calendar. But this time, let's ask a question to see if it can search for some real data and provide us an answer. I have asked, when is the 2024 Paris Paralympics opening ceremony held? And it has used the web search tool to search for some real information online. According to its search results, it gave an answer that the opening ceremony is held on August 28th. Let's go ahead and add this to the calendar. And if I click yes to confirm, the event should pop up on August 28th right here. And yes, it has been successfully added. The examples from here has called tools 1 or 2 times in one conversation corresponding to one prompt. But tools can be called multiple times at once to enhance the quality of the agent. For example, I have asked, can you suggest some popular Paralympic sports that I can go each day? And it has gave me a list of the other matches that I could possibly go. I will go ahead and add all of these to the calendar. It has called the tool 12 times and I will go ahead and add all of them. Yes, yes, yes. I'll just stop from here. Athletics and swimming has been added, the wheelchair tennis has been added, paracycling has been added. And as the last example, I will just say thank you to my agent. It has created the response without using any of the tools. And this is the end of the video. With function calling, you are able to build so many intelligent and interesting agents. I hope this video helped you gain insight into function calling, and see you next time.